Ever walk into a bustling restaurant, a symphony of sizzling pans and clattering plates, and wonder how they keep it all together? How do they take orders, manage tables, track inventory, and keep the bills rolling out smoothly? It all boils down to having the right tools in the kitchen, but not the kind with sharp edges and hot flames. The secret weapon for many restaurants is a hidden hero: restaurant management software. Today, we're diving into the world of one such hero, TouchBistro, and uncovering the industry it empowers. So, grab your metaphorical apron and get ready, because we're about to walk through the swinging kitchen doors and see how technology is transforming the restaurant experience from both sides of the counter. From humble beginnings to high-tech solutions. Imagine a time before smartphones and tablets, when restaurants relied on clunky cash registers and paper ledgers. Keeping track of everything must have been a nightmare. Thankfully, technology has come a long way, and TouchBistro is a prime example of that evolution. Founded in 2010 with a clear mission: to make running a restaurant easier. They started with their core product, a point-of-sale POS system. But TouchBistro didn't stop there. They saw the bigger picture, the need for a comprehensive suite of tools that streamlined every aspect of restaurant operations. Fast forward to today, and TouchBistro has become an all-in-one restaurant management system. It's a one-stop shop for restaurateurs, offering features like POS system, the heart of the operation, allowing for smooth order taking, payment processing, and bill splitting. Inventory management, keep track of ingredients, prevent stockouts, and optimize ordering for better cost control. Staff scheduling, simplify creating staff schedules, manage employee hours, and track payroll. Table management, seat customers efficiently, keep track of table status, and ensure a smooth dining flow. Customer engagement, take online reservations, offer loyalty programs, and collect valuable customer data. These are just a few of the ways TouchBistro empowers restaurants. But what industry are we talking about here? The restaurant revolution, a tech-driven industry. Bingo! TouchBistro operates within the dynamic and ever-evolving world of the restaurant industry. This industry encompasses a vast array of establishments, from casual cafes and fine dining experiences to fast food chains and food trucks. It's a competitive landscape where customer experience reigns supreme. Diners expect not only delicious food but also efficient service, convenience, and a touch of personalization. This is where technology like TouchBistro comes in. By providing a centralized platform to manage everything from orders to employee schedules, TouchBistro equips restaurants to adapt and thrive in this competitive environment. Beyond efficiency, a recipe for success. But TouchBistro isn't just about streamlining operations. It's about empowering restaurateurs to focus on what truly matters, creating a memorable dining experience. With data-driven insights at their fingertips, owners can make informed decisions about their menus, pricing strategies, and marketing efforts. TouchBistro's loyalty programs help restaurants build relationships with their customers, fostering a sense of community and repeat business. The future of restaurants. A tech-savvy landscape, the restaurant industry is constantly evolving,